I want you to understand the core basic fundamentals in building a successful business for you to get the results that you want and for you to enjoy the kind of lifestyle that you and your family deserve. So at the end of the day, I want you to think as a real business entrepreneur. So here's my challenge. My challenge is, how am I going to teach you in a step-by-step kind of mode of teaching? So I will not leave any one of you, and I want you to simply get it. And I hope that you will appreciate this too. So here's one nugget to success. I want you to write it down, okay? Focus on one task at a time and make sure that you are closing this task. So don't open an email if you cannot answer or if you cannot attend 100%. Or maybe if you need to create a new campaign, you need to give yourself or your focus 100% in creating or designing your landing pages. So do not get any disruptions or interruptions of checking your Facebook or your Twitter account. So you need to focus one task at a time and make sure that you are closing this project or task before jumping into a new one. I want you to focus in educating yourself. Invest to yourself. Spend 30 minutes to 1 hour enhancing your knowledge. Learn new things every single day. Be hungry for new knowledge that can uplift yourself. Do something new today and be better today than yesterday. Don't worry about money because when you follow these rituals every single day, money will just follow and will take care of itself for you. Disengage yourself first with this emotion on how to make money because it's not the money that we are after for. We are after for the lifestyle. Like we want our dream car, like we want to have a Mercedes car or a Lamborghini car. These are materials. These can be scratched. The car can be scratched, can be stained, can be depreciated, and one day the car can have no value at all. So same thing with your dream house. This is also a material thing. Money can come and go. How many times you've witnessed or seen people won a lottery and then after several years they go back again to where they came from, of being broke. And how many times you witness people who started nothing and became millionaire. Here's what I want you to focus. I want you to focus on how you can design your future that nobody can take away from you. So this is how you will develop your own skill to get what you want in life and in business. And once you develop this skill in making your first $10 online, I promise you that you can easily make your next $50, $100, $1,000 per week, and so on. So I'm up here for a challenge to share with you what's working for me, my own experience. And your challenge is be open-minded and apply what you're gonna learn from here. You know, I was so blessed to have this mentor along my way when I needed him most. I'm a good student. I follow what he preached because I know that he got more experience and earned more than me. And he's been to the place where I want myself to be. I don't know you, all right? So of course, you need to have your own judgment. You need to apply what is necessary based on your current position or level because you cannot apply an advanced formula if you are just a beginner. So let's say, why build a house if you do not have a blueprint or a vision of what kind of house you want to have? Is it just a loft? Is it a studio? Is it up and down? So you should have a vision. So this is the same thing in doing a business. Why build a business if you do not have a blueprint? You should have a good vision of what business you would like to have. So is it an e-commerce business? Is it a consulting business? So what kind of business you want to build? Guess what? When I got started, I was all over the place, hearing from this guy telling this and then another guy telling different things. I was really so confused. Which road to take? Literally, I do not know what to do because there was no step-by-step guide for me out there showing me how to do it the right way. So my email was bombarded with different newsletters. You know what? During my process, there's ups and downs. And there's a point that I'm thinking to quit and just find a new job. Or do I need to pursue my dream? Anyway, the reason why you are watching me right now in front of you is I decided to pursue my dream. And I was so fortunate to find the right mentor. And that's the time I put blinders, like a horse. blinders on me, and I literally soaking myself as much as I could from this mentor alone to improve myself as well as my business.